Hello, and welcome to a new episode of Masterminds in Maintenance. I'm Ryan Chan, CEO and founder of Upkeep. Today we're going to have a fascinating conversation about predictive maintenance, data's role in it, and the common mistakes to avoid when implementing IoT solutions. Joining us is Rob Russell, CTO and co-founder of Senseye, a cloud platform trusted by several Fortune 500 companies. So let's dive in and explore the world of maintenance and reliability. Rob shares his journey from working in avionics systems design to co-founding Senseye. He discusses the importance of harnessing technologies like Industry 4.0 and AI or machine learning to do the heavy lifting of predictive maintenance. One of the key takeaways from our conversation is the importance of data in predictive maintenance. Rob emphasizes that data is the most important piece, enabling better reactive maintenance. Data gives us a bigger lead time, and that longer lead time is the difference between reactive and what marketing defines as predictive maintenance. Rob also shares some common mistakes companies make when trying to adopt IoT solutions. One such mistake is not having the right level of appreciation of the right type of data that you need to gather and how to gather that data. Another mistake is not being aware of the cultural shift that's going to have to happen in your organization. Rob also talks about the concept of the dark factory, an unmanned factory where machines are remotely monitored. He believes that strategies and thought processes about remote work and not having so many people in and around factory environments will probably be accelerated in the post-COVID-19 world. In terms of the benefits of IoT, Rob mentions the increased level of insight into machines and the level of coverage. IoT decreases the cost to get better coverage across all assets, giving us better insight so that it's not just the high-value assets that we are continuously monitoring. Rob encourages people to exploit the data that's already available within their network and try to use that to drive the business case for future enhancements. He also shares some resources for new ideas, including online reading material from various sectors and white papers from other companies. You can connect with Rob on LinkedIn and check out the Senseye website at senseye.io for regular webinars and blog posts. Thank you for joining us today. We've covered the importance of data in predictive maintenance, common mistakes when implementing IoT solutions, and the concept of the dark factory. If you found this information valuable, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more insights into the maintenance and reliability industry. To learn more about our solutions, visit us at upkeep.com. Until next time, keep exploring and innovating.